Hello everyone, this is Naneshwar Sanak, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Dindori. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about the molecular orbital energy level diagram for He2 molecule and He2 plus molecule. Let us explore one by one. First of all, we discuss about the He2 molecule. Basically, He2 molecule is made up of two helium atoms. To understand the molecular orbital energy level diagram, we have to first of all understand the electronic configuration of helium atom. The electronic configuration of first helium atom is 1s2. Similarly, the electronic configuration for second helium atom is 1s2. Let us write this electronic configuration in tabulated form. For the first, the 1s2 and for second also 1s2. The total number of electrons participate during the formation of molecule is 4 electrons. Let us start the drawing of molecular orbital energy level diagram. The increasing order of atomic orbital is like this. Let us put the atomic orbital of each helium atom at particular energy level. Atomic orbital of first helium atom of this energy level having 2 electrons in its valence shell combines with the atomic orbital of second helium having 2 electrons in its valence shell. After combination of these two atomic orbitals, according to the LCO principle, it produces the two molecular orbital, that is formation of He2 molecule. Out of these two molecular orbital, one is lower energy orbital, that is called as bonding molecular orbital, and one is higher energy molecular orbital called as antibonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital is denoted by sigma 1s and antibonding molecular orbital is denoted by sigma star 1s. The lowering of energy with respect to the atomic orbital called as stabilization energy, because during the formation of molecular orbital, energy get evolved and it results in formation in bonding molecular orbital. Whatever increasing energy during the formation of antibonding molecular orbital is called as destabilization energy. The next point is filling of electron in molecular orbital. There are 4 electrons from 2 atomic orbitals is participated in the formation of He2 molecule. This 4 electron is filled according to the above principle and Hund's law of maximum multiplicity. The first electron goes to the lower energy bonding molecular orbital. Similarly, second one also goes to the lower energy bonding molecular orbital. The third electron goes to the higher energy antibonding molecular orbital, as well as the fourth electron also goes to the antibonding molecular orbital. Here, look carefully, there are 2 electrons which is present in the bonding molecular orbital and there is 2 electron which is present in the antibonding molecular orbital. From this molecular orbital diagram, we have to find out the electronic configuration for molecular orbitals or He2 molecules. The electronic configuration for He2 molecule is sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2. The next point is calculation of energy evolved during the formation of molecule. The energy evolved is calculated by using the formula the number of electron which is present in the bonding molecular orbital into minus beta. Minus beta is indicated that the energy liberated during the formation of bonding molecular orbital or energy gap between the barycenter towards the bonding molecular orbital plus the number of electron present in the antibonding molecular orbital into plus beta. Plus beta is the energy difference between the barycenter towards the antibonding molecular orbital. Put these values of number of electron in bonding molecular orbital and antibonding molecular orbital in the given formula, we get this equation 2 into minus beta plus 2 into plus beta. It result 0 stabilization energy, because whatever energy evolved during the formation of bonding molecular orbital is cancelled by the whatever energy gained during the formation of antibonding molecular orbital. And that's why the energy evolved for the He2 molecule formation is 0. Next point is calculation of bond order. Bond order is calculated by using the formula number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus the number of electron in antibonding molecular orbital divided by 2. Put this value of number of electron in bonding molecular orbital and antibonding molecular orbital in given formula. It results in 2 minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 0. That means there is no formation of bond between the two helium atoms. That means it concludes that there is no formation of He2 molecule. Next point is the stability. Because of zero bond order, there is no formation of bond between the two helium atoms. That's why the He2 molecule is not exist at all. And that's why the helium is always obtained as a monoatomic gas. The next molecular orbital energy level diagram is He2 plus ion molecular orbital energy level diagram. He2 plus ion molecule is made up of, or it consists of, one helium atom which having electronic configuration 1s2 and one helium ion which having electronic configuration 1s1. Let us see one by one. The electronic configuration for helium atom is 1s2 and electronic configuration of second helium ion is 1s1. This positive charge indicates that there is one less electron as compared to the He2 molecule, and that's why we return the electronic configuration for one helium atom as a 1s1 instead of 1s2. Let us write tabulated form of electronic configuration for helium atom is 1s2 like this, and for He plus ion is like this. The total number of electrons participate during the formation of He2 plus ion or molecule is 3 electrons. Let us explore the actual molecular orbital diagram. The increasing order of energy of atomic orbital is like this. When the atomic orbital of helium having 2 electrons is combined with the atomic orbital of He plus ion having 1 electron, they produce the He2 plus ion molecular orbital. In this He2 plus ion molecular orbital, the one is bonding molecular orbital and one is antibonding molecular orbital. The bonding molecular orbital is denoted by or represented by the symbol sigma 1s, and antibonding molecular orbital which is denoted by sigma star 1s. Whatever energy evolved during the formation of bonding molecular orbital called as stabilization energy, and whatever energy gained during the formation of antibonding molecular orbital called as destabilization energy. The next point is filling of electron in the molecular orbitals from atomic orbitals. There are 3 electrons which is participated during the formation of molecular orbital, which is filled by using the above principle and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. According to the above principle, the first electron goes to the lower energy molecular orbital. After that, the second electron also goes to the lower energy molecular orbital, and last third electron goes to the higher energy antibonding molecular orbital. From this diagram, we conclude that there are 2 electrons which is present in the bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma 1s, and there is only 1 electron which is present in antibonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star 1s. When we compare this molecular orbital diagram with the He2 molecular orbital diagram, we conclude that there is difference of only 1 electron which is present in the antibonding molecular orbital. In case of He2 molecule, there is 2 electron which is present in the antibonding molecular orbital, but in case of He2 plus ion, there is only 1 electron which is present in the antibonding molecular orbital, and this absence of 1 electron in antibonding orbital which affects the all parameters like that electronic configuration of He2 plus ion molecules, energy evolved during the formation of He2 plus ion molecule, bond order of He2 plus ions, stability and magnetic property. Let us see one by one. The first case, electronic configuration of He2 plus ion. The electronic configuration of He2 plus ion is sigma 1s2 2 and sigma star 1s2 1. The next point is energy evolved during the formation of He2 plus ion. Energy evolved is calculated by using the formula number of electrons present in the bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbital plus beta. Put the values of number of electrons present in the bonding molecular orbital and antibonding molecular orbital in the given formula. We get an 2 into minus beta plus 1 into plus beta, result in the minus beta. Minus beta is the stabilization energy for the He2 plus ion. When we compare the stabilization energy of He2 plus ion molecule with the He2 molecule, the one conclusion is that the stabilization energy for He2 molecule is 0, but for He2 plus is minus beta. That means there may be possibility of formation of molecule. The next point is calculation of bond order. Basically, bond order is calculated by using the formula number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus the number of electron in antibonding molecular orbital divided by 2. As we see in the diagram, the 2 electrons which is present in the bonding molecular orbital and 1 electron which is present in the antibonding molecular orbital. Put this value in the formula, we get the bond order value is 1/2. That means there is formation of bond in some extent. The next point is stability. Because of bond order is not 0 and there is some energy evolved during the formation of molecule, He2 plus molecule is formed in some extent. Next point is magnetic property. Basically, as we discussed in previous video, the magnetic property of any molecule is depend on the number of unpaired electron in the molecule. In case of He2 plus molecule, there is 1 electron which is unpaired in nature in antibonding molecular orbital, and that's why the He2 plus molecule is paramagnetic in nature. Thank you for watching.